Hey everyone, so are you trying to open the Grammarly desktop app, but nothing happens? Maybe it won't launch, it keeps loading, or the app just closes immediately. Yeah, that can be pretty frustrating when you're trying to get work done. In this video, I'll show you several simple ways to fix the Grammarly desktop app not opening. These troubleshooting steps usually solve the problem in just a few minutes. All right, first, try restarting your computer. Sometimes background processes or temporary system glitches prevent apps from launching properly. A quick restart often clears those issues. Next, make sure your operating system is fully updated. Outdated system files can cause compatibility problems with apps like Grammarly, especially after software updates. If the app still won't open, Grammarly might already be running in the background. Open your task manager or activity monitor and look for any Grammarly processes. If you find one, end the task, and then try opening the app again. Another reliable fix is reinstalling the Grammarly desktop app. First, uninstall the app from your computer, then download the latest version from the official website and install it again. Sometimes antivirus programs or security software can block apps from opening. If you suspect this might be the issue, temporarily disable the security software and try launching Grammarly again. One more thing you can try is running the Grammarly app as an administrator. Right-click the app icon and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the app full permission to launch and operate correctly, and that's it. Most Grammarly desktop app issues can be fixed by restarting your computer, closing background processes, or reinstalling the app. If this tutorial helped you solve the problem, feel free to check out more quick tech guides on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.